Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by creating a reliable bootable USB and setting firmware to boot from it. This gets you off the loop. Once done, disable Secure Boot if the installer refuses to run and confirm USB priority. Make sure you back up any user data to a secondary drive or image before touching partitions, because installation actions can overwrite files. Finally, keep your Windows product key and note current partition layout so you can restore or target the correct system partition when the installer starts. Boot into the Windows recovery environment and run automatic repair to fix boot configuration automatically. That often clears the loop. If it persists, open Command Prompt and run bootrec commands to fix MBR, write a fresh boot sector, scan for Windows installations, and rebuild BCD to restore the boot record. Next, run chkdsk on the system volume to repair file system errors and remove any recently applied drivers or updates that coincide with the loop. If repairs failed, proceed to a clean install. Choose Custom Install, delete only Windows partitions, and leave data partitions intact to avoid losing files. Once Windows boots, install chipset and storage drivers before enabling Windows Update. Pause updates briefly to verify stability. Make sure you reactivate Windows if required and restore user files from backup. If problems continue, reset BIOS to defaults, reset SATA/NVMe drives and cables, or restore from a known good system image. These hardware-level resets often stop persistent installation loops.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.